want to turn off notifications on Thread, then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily turn off the notification on Thread. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to your application Thread. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once you are logged in, now you need to head over to your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on this three line at the top right corner. Inside the settings page, you'll see the option of notifications. Move into it. In order to turn off the notification, tap on Pause All, and then select the specific hours. And there you go, all the notification of Thread has been disabled. You can also change the notification of email address. Click on it. Now you have to set the settings to off. Now you won't be receiving any of the notification from Thread app. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.